ओके, मिडिएवल इंडिया का एक और छोटा चैप्टर ले लेते हैं। चालुक्याज और बादामी और वातापी 543 से 755 AD तक इन्होंने ये किया। पुलकेशिन फर्स्ट, फाउंडर ऑफ द चालुक्य डायनेस्टी, ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड ए स्मॉल किंगडम विथ वातापी एज ए कैपिटल. Pulkesin first performed the Ashwamedh sacrifice. Pulkesin second 608 to 642 AD, the most important ruler of the dynasty. The Aihole inscription issued by him gives the details of his reign. Notable achievement of Pulkesin second, it was the defeat of Harshvardhan on the bank of the river Narmada. In his first expedition against the Pallavas, Pulkesin II emerged victorious. However, he suffered a humiliating defeat at the hand of Narasimhavarman first near Kachi. In the next round, Huensang, the Chinese traveler, visited his kingdom, administration and social life under the Chalukyas. The Chalukyas' administration was highly centralized. Village autonomy was absent under Chalukyas. The Chalukyas were a great maritime power. Chalukyas promoted a Brahminical religious order, but they gave respect to the other religions. Importance was given to the Vedic rites and rituals. Huensang mentioned about the decline of Buddhism in the western Deccan, but Jainism was steadily on the path of progress in the region. Ravi Kirti, the court poet of Pulkesin II, was composed. The Aihole inscription was a Jain. Aihole inscription refers to exploits of Pulkesin II. The Aihole inscription is a classical example of poetic excellence in Sanskrit, art and architecture. The Chalukyas were great patrons of art. They developed the Vesera or Deccan style of buildings structural temple. However, the Vesera style reached its culmination only under the Rashtrakutas and the Hoysalas. The sculpture temples of the Chalukyas exist as Aihole, Badami and Pattadakkal. Use the reddish golden sandstone is the unique feature of Chalukya temple. Cave temples architecture was also famous under the Chalukyas. Their cave temples are found Ajanta, Ellora and Nasik. The best specimen of Chalukyas painting can be seen in the Badami cave temple and the Ajanta caves. At Badami, there are 3 Brahminical caves, 1 Jain, Parshvanath and the natural caves belonging to the Buddhist. The reception given to a Persian embassy by Pulkesin II is depicted in a painting at Ajanta. The Chalukyas temple may be divided into two stages. The earliest monument of Chalukyas of Badami is the Ravana Pahadi cave at Aihole, dated back to AD 550 and is dedicated to Shiva. It boasts of one of the earliest rock-cut temples of Chalukyas. The first stage represented by the temples at Aihole and Badami. Among the 70 temples found at Aihole, 4 are important. Lad Khan temple is low, flat-roofed structure consisting of a pillared hall. It is the earliest temple at Aihole. Durga temple resembles a Buddha Chaitya, and the Huchi Maligudi temple and the Jain temple at Meguli. The temples at Badami, the Mukteswar temple and the Maliguti Shivalaya are noticeable for their architectural beauty. A group of 4 rock-cut temples at Badami are marked by the high workmanship. The walls and the pillared halls are adorned by the beautiful image of the god and human beings. The second stage represents the temples at Pattadakal. There are 10 temples, 4 of the northern style and 6 in the Dravidian style. The Papantha temple is the most notable in the northern style. The Sangameswara temple and the Virupaksha temple are famous for their Dravidian style. The Virupaksha temple is built on the model of Kailasanath temple at Kanchipuram. It is located on the bank of river Tungabhadra. It was built by one of the queen of Vikramaditya II. Sculpture brought from Kanchi were employed in its construction. The Nabha Brahma group of temples located at Alampur in Andhra Pradesh represents a masterpiece of Chalukyan outside Karnataka. There are 9 temples based on Nagara style and do not reflect the Dravidian style of temple architecture. 8 out of 9 are clearly Nagara style. And that's all for this chapter. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. This was the second in a series of medieval India.